everyone, welcome back. So I am in Jammu, and let me introduce you guys with somebody. Who is she? Me. Who is this beautiful girl?
सम्राट राज का
तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं
सेनापति।
पहले तो इसको जाना है हॉस्पिटल। ये जितनी खूबसूरत दिख रही है अंदर से उतनी खूबसूरत नहीं है, तो इसको अभी चेकअप करने ले जा रहे हैं। एंड देन आई हैव एन अपॉइंटमेंट, सो आई नीड टू गो देयर एंड देन get all the document checked, and after that we'll come back. This is the outfit. Ooh, let's go.
System boy.
She's an Elvish fan, literally. Everyone, now we are going for a night outing. This is our Jammu. मैम आपके पर्स में क्या है? आपके पर्स में क्या है?
Yeah. Guys, so she's just new to this kind of things. So let's go. She just practiced one day, and that was day after yesterday. And today, after one day break, she'll be going again. And here she goes. And there are a lot of people watching. Yes, there she goes. She's already learned it. Pretty fast. She stopped again. She already stopped, and I don't have any choice but to stay here, being the coach.
Oh, don't come.
Now she's gonna kill me. Oh, nice one. Yo!
I had some issues with my documents, so I am going again today, and this is the outfit for today. Yeah, let's go.
Looking all Asian, got a big black, yeah, her body outrageous. Tryna holler what's up, but she looking dangerous. Found this.
Welcome back. I am at Doda right now. मैं आज ही यहाँ पे पहुँची, and now we are going for the checkup since I'm here and my aunt is doctor. So I've been not feeling well since quite a long time now. So I thought of doing a full body checkup and a lot of that. I am already scared of needles. So. Hello everyone. Let me introduce you guys with my cousin.
Hello.
She's Yutso, and now we are going for shopping. We don't need to buy anything. Even Yutso don't have to buy anything, right?
I don't want to buy clothes because I have many clothes.
Yeah, she got a lot of clothes, and even I am not looking for anything. This is my first time, and Yutso, how many times you came here?
5.
5. And that's Pooja. She's looking for some top. See, this is my little cute cousin. वाह, ये कौन निकला? हाय है, खंडो हाय में.
Hello guys. Hi guys.
I am going to hospital right now. I have to do the tests. So many tests. I'm so scared. Now we are at cafe. अब हम यहाँ पे कैफ़े में कुछ खाएंगे क्योंकि हम बहुत सुबह आए हैं ना,
हाँ जल्दी जल्दी में आए, हमने कुछ खाया भी नहीं। दीदी ने खाया होगा, पर मैंने सिर्फ एक और आधे चिप्स खाया और पानी पिया।
मैंने थोड़ा सा मैगी खाया था। अब हम यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा कुछ खाएंगे एंड देन आफ्टर दैट विल गो। एक्साइटेड?
यस, वेरी वेरी।
हाय ना।
हाय गाइस। हाय गाइस।
हाय गाइस।
मुझे लगता है अभी इसको मूड नहीं है।
थोड़ी देर हम वेट करते हैं, बाकी सारे बाहर ही, हम 3 ही अंदर आए। कैसा है तो?
बहुत टेस्टी है सच्ची में।
क्या खा रहे हो?
आलू के पराठा विद दही और पिकल। दही उठाएंगे। मैं कहूँ मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत है, मेरी बस की चाहत है, तो क्या कहोगी?
इसके बाद
मैं कहूँ मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत है, मेरी बस यही चाहत है, तो क्या करोगी?
here we are at halfway. There's one restaurant and it's so beautiful.
You, I know that we just met, but this feels so cool. Ooh. Your tattoo tells me everything I need to know about.
आज हम जा रहे हैं वाटरफॉल देखने।
कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
वाटरफॉल।
और वाटरफॉल का नाम है
अनस्वाद वाटरफॉल।
वाटरफॉल। Everyone, welcome back. So today we are at the famous spot in Padar. It's known as Answar Waterfall.
So beautiful.
Yeah, it's so
And
beautiful.
so big. The widest waterfall
Ever.
in India.
Not in India. Yeah, it's Padar. Kashmir, we are going there. Welcome back. So today it's the birthday of the Nayana. This is how it looks in the morning. This is how they are making sound. The incense.